Hello, hello. I'm the angel that sits on Holly's shoulder. Welcome to Perfumed Vegas. I'm here to show you some of Holly's most favorite angelic perfumes. So if you're interested, just sit back, relax, and enjoy. Hello again. Thank you so much for staying. I'm here to show you some of Holly's most angelic perfumes. The first, Prada Kiss. Prada Candy Kiss. A beautiful orange blossom. A musk. Soft, fluffy, like a cloud you want to sit on all day. This one always makes me think of home. Next, one that perhaps is a bit more daring, perhaps is a bit more ostentatious, but sometimes being showy isn't a bad thing. Armani Si Eau de Parfum. It's sweet, but not too sweet. It's a little bit on the flirty side. Beautiful scent, beautiful people. Armani Si is beautiful. There's florals, there's fruits, there's something slightly gourmand. Holly doesn't wear this nearly enough. I tried to tell her she should wear it more. But for this adventure, I think it's quite lovely. Armani Si. And then we have a beautiful scent in a beautiful bottle. You may have not seen this in her collection because it's new. La Mia Perla by La Perla. I know what you're thinking, it's a lingerie brand, but this is not a lingerie scent. It's sweet, it's soft, it's pretty. It's like sliding into warm satin sheets and getting a hug from a cashmere blanket. Such a nice, innocent, altogether virginal, floral. I really, really like this one, I must say. Next we have oh gosh. Oh, thank God she's gone. Oh, just kidding. Did you want to hear that? Those perfumes for people who aren't getting laid in that weird sing talking? Were you... Ugh. Listen, we're going to talk about some perfumes that are going to get you hot in the bedroom. And if you don't like that, this is probably not the channel for you. Okay? Hey. Want to see my underneath? I bet you do. Naughty. Oh, it's good to be out. Okay. All right. So, what are we going to start with today? I know. Rose. A naughty, sexy rose from Elizabeth and James Nirvana Rose. Ooh, this one just gets me going. It's deep, it's rich, it's like slathering rose jam just on your body, and your lover will just have to take their time with it, if you know what I'm saying. You do know what I'm saying, right? It's innuendo. Innuendo. Oh, this isn't for children. Children, close your eyes and ears. Elizabeth and James Nirvana Rose has just 3 notes. I'm going to list them on the screen. I'll put up that bitch's notes too for you because I don't think she told you. Anyway, that's a good one. If you're going to talk dark and dirty, make it clean and pretty. This one's innocent in a bottle, but it's not so sweet once it gets out. Narciso by Narciso Rodriguez. Ooh, ooh, ooh. This smells like a sexy lover. Oh, a good time was had by all, if you know what I mean. Once again, do you know what I mean? I mean, are you picking up what I mean? Because if you're not, I'll call that preening Polly back in here and you can, you and her can have a conversation. No? Oh, no? Okay. Just checking. Just checking. This is a really super sexy oriental musky type of fragrance. It's just delicious. And the great thing is that you can wear it pretty much any time of day and tempt everyone around you. Let's face it, I'm all about temptations. And this one, Narciso Parfum by Narciso Rodriguez, is the ultimate little white something. Next, we're going to have something black, something white, something black, something blood red, and something with a target. Tom Ford Noir. This is Noir Parfum, but let me tell you, ladies, you're gonna smell so good when you wear it. I could just eat you up. Super sexy, super classy. Tom Ford, he does some things right. I won't say what, but I think you know what I mean. And last, but certainly not least, I have Jasmin cigarette from Etat Libre. Etat Libre. Oh, you're so bad. They're so bad. It's so good. I love it. When you want to be so bad you're good, definitely you need to be wearing something from Etat Libre. And on Halloween nights, you're definitely going to want to be so bad you're good, right? Am I right here? Am I right? Or are you guys just forgetting to follow along with me? Yeah. I'm assuming if you weren't picking up on what I was putting down, you clicked out already. But if you didn't, remember, there's some gorgeous fragrances that are beautiful on the skin from the house of Etat Libre. You don't have to just think of them as a house of weird fragrances. Jasmin is cigarette, sexy, sultry, dirty, straight up bedroom scent. So maybe this is what you need to get a little spice back in your life. If you were, more interested in what that other, stuff was all about. Anyway, that's it from me. Thank you so much for hanging out. I wish we could spend more time together. I really like it, and I really wish that I could come out and play with you more often. As it is, it's just, this time of year makes it really easy to free myself from the restraints of propriety. It is what it is. Perhaps you'll see me again. Maybe not. Otherwise, I want to send besos and wish you the best Halloween, the most fun. If you dress up, don't forget, dress down. Bye.